Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of Amazon products. We do reviews on hotels and even ways to make money online programs. But today we're going to do a review on my new impact wrench. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's take a look at it. So you can see it comes in this nice carrying case. It's heavy duty. Let's go ahead and open it up. So you get the user manual there. Very nice. Feels pretty heavy duty actually. You get 2 batteries for it. Take this out. And also let you know the battery. We'll go ahead and put that on there now. Boom, ready to go. They send you the charger for the batteries. And these 4 different sockets right here. So you get this 17 millimeter, the 24 millimeter, 21 millimeter, and 19 millimeters. All right, and then the one thing that I do want to point out is right on here, as you can see, it has 3 different settings. It's got high, low, and medium, which you can adjust once it's ready to go. And then just wanted to show the charger as well. There you go, letting you know. Once it's green, you are good to go, fully charged. And then I did want to mention, sorry, I didn't see this one in the box. It also comes with this one as well as an attachment. So let's go ahead and actually try this out and see how it works. All right, so we got it. All right, so we got it ready. Well, let's go ahead and just test it out. There we go. So you can see, super easy to work. Put that back. Same thing with this one. Perfect. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new impact wrench, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.